Welcome to the fascinating world of machine learning and artificial intelligence, where cutting-edge research and mind-blowing advancements are shaping the future. Did you know that AI is revolutionizing autonomous systems like self-driving cars and drones? With AI at the wheel, we're venturing into a safer and more efficient world. But AI doesn't stop at calculations and predictions, it's a creative genius too. Witness AI's mind-boggling ability to generate mesmerizing art, music, and poetry, challenging the boundaries of human creativity. In the quest for AI's potential, scientists worldwide are working collaboratively, embracing diversity to unlock new perspectives and drive innovation. AI is on a mission to conquer scientific frontiers. From accelerating drug discovery to aiding environmental solutions, it's revolutionizing research across various disciplines. But with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical AI is at the forefront of discussions, ensuring fairness, transparency, and bias-free decision-making. Did you know AI can read emotions? Through facial expressions and voice intonation, it's enhancing mental health support and human-computer interaction. Brace yourself for the quantum leap! The convergence of quantum computing and AI is unlocking new possibilities to solve previously unsolvable problems. AI's thirst for knowledge is insatiable. Lifelong learning enables AI models to adapt and grow continuously, making them smarter with every new piece of information. The future is brighter with AI's compassionate side. Witness its incredible potential in addressing critical social issues like poverty, healthcare, and environmental sustainability. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the unexplored wonders of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on this thrilling journey of AI's evolution. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and follow us for more mind-expanding content. Thanks for watching!